Hello, everyone. Have you ever faced a situation when you feel like, no, I can't do this? Even if you are a great speaker, you are a great dancer, you have practiced a lot, but while doing the stage performance, you suddenly feel like, no, I can't do this in front of so many people. Sometimes, for example, you have a great career history, but restarting your career after having a kid or after having marriage or restarting a passion, you feel like, no, I can't do this. Maybe due to social anxiety or fear of failure. Sometimes this happens with kids as well, raising a hand in class to answer a question or even question something with the teacher. So they also feel the fear of failure. What if I asked something wrong? So if you are also in the same boat, I think this video is for you. And believe me, you are not alone. Even Hanumanji also felt the same when there was a situation on the banks of the ocean when Lakshmanji was unconscious and there was no other solution other than having that mountain with that jadi booty to be brought in. Everyone pointed towards Hanumanji. But when Hanumanji listened that, he suddenly reached to this situation only, wherein he froze and he felt like, I can't do this. And at that time, what happened was Jamwant, who was a very wise bear in that family, and he came not to shout on Hanumanji or not to force him to do something, but he reminded him of his powers. That come on, you have crossed the oceans, you have blown the Lanka, you have carried Ramji in your heart, and now you are saying that I can't do this. You can do this. All these are your powers. You have to believe in yourself. So then what happened is the history. Hanumanji closed his eyes, said Jai Shri Ram, gained his strength, and did his job. So you are not alone, guys. This can happen with anyone. But the moral is, what do we need at that moment? The moment when we are feeling the fear of failure, the pressure of failure, social anxiety, what do we need from someone? We need a jamband. We need a person who does not pushes us that do this or forces us to do this or shouts at us that why you did not do, or even does not give dilasa that koi nahi ho jayega. No. We need someone who reminds us of our powers, that you can do this, you already have the powers. So what I would say is, be someone's jamvant. Remind someone that you already have the powers, you can do it. So if you find someone nearby who is in this situation, please be his jamvant. And for yourself, if you don't find any jamvant, then be yourself jamvant.